Gone are the days when you would spend much more money for the smartphone with better feature and specification. For making this a statement true, Chinese smartphone brand Lava has recently launched Lava ID65 with advanced and popular face recognition technology at the low price range. With ID65, you don't have to swipe or input the password digit by digit. Just you have to light up the screen and look at it. Your face becomes the key to unlock your phone. You can have clear vision on its beautiful 2.5D curved 5-inch HD IPS display with 294 ppi. Though it comes at low price, you don't have to worry about the internet speed because it supports 4G network which can provide speed maximum up to 150 MB per second. ID65 is deeply optimized based on the latest Android Oreo with Android Go system, which takes up less storage and saves more power and gives fast and smooth performance. In the camera section, Lava seems to have compromised, but the performance of the 5MP front and 5MP rear camera, both with flash, are outstanding. You don't need to have DSLR or dual camera for bokeh effect. Its both camera can focus on the object you want to highlight and blur the background. Lava ID65 is powered by 1.3 GHz MT6739 quad-core processor with 1GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. It has been priced around $8.7 internationally, but it may vary according to your country. Before starting unboxing, please check out its comparison with its own model and other brand models. Now let's see what is inside the box.